3225 Beaver Creek Drive. What is it? I'm listening.
Oh, no, we're just talking about it. I mean, my ex has said to me that he wants to sell it as is, that he doesn't want to put money into it.
I'll give you that option as well. Fence over there. That trim up there. Caulk this step right here. Okay. Nice paint job in here. Half bath. Coat closet. Downstairs. Needs carpet. Laundry. Hi, kitty. Crawl space over there. Knock, knock. I'm just taking a quick video just so I can like refer back to it. I'll try not to get you in there. Thanks. I had it forever. That's went right past you. Okay. And then this is closet?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Hey, kitty. Carpet. Really nice big closet and the vaulted ceiling master. Five-piece bathroom. Two more bedrooms here. One very dirty. Linens. Other girl's bedroom. Oop. Okay. Really nice deck. Yard needs some work. trim, and some of that siding needs some work. Hi, Kitty.